So, dear viewers, welcome. In the previous episode, that is in episode 6, I have discussed about wohnen, that is the items in bathroom, kitchen, etc. in German. Today I will teach an important thing, that is Sein Verb or be verb in German and the application of it. Now let us start. Der Unterricht 7, Class 7, Sein Verb, Part 1. Lass uns zuerst das Personalpronomen lernen. That is, let us first learn the personal pronoun. Ich, I, du, you, informal, er, he, sie, she, es, it, wir, we, ihr, you all, you boys and girls, informal, sie, they, sie, you, formal. Here, ich and wir are first person, du and ihr are second person, er, sie, es and sie are third person. That is, this is first person singular, first person, plural. Second person singular, second person plural. Third person singular, third person singular, third person singular, third person plural, second person singular and plural. Now, ich, that is ich, only human beings. Du, human beings. Wir, ihr, also human beings. Now, this is er, sie, es, human beings, living things and non-living things. Now, third person plural, that is sie, this one, they, also human beings, living and non-living things. Now, this second person, that is gross z or large z, singular and plural, both singular and plural, you, this is human beings. So, let us, ich, I, du, you, er, he, sie, she, es, it, wir, we, ihr, you all, sie, they, sie, you, formal. And this, do and ihr are informal. So, the gender of nouns. In German, the gender of nouns are not similar to English. The gender is totally grammatical. In case of er, sie, es, gender is identified. Er, sie, es, third person singular. Er, masculine. In German, the spelling of the masculine is like this. Masculine. Sie, feminine, es, neuter. Now, er, der Zug. It is a masculine noun, er, train. Sie, feminine. Die Wohnung, sie, apartment. Es, neuter or neuter gender. Das Buch, es, book. Then, done. Ich, I, first person singular. Do, you, informal, second person singular. Er, sie, es, er. He, sie, she, es, it, third person singular. Where, we, first person plural. Here, you all, you boys and girls, second person plural. Sie, they, third person plural. And this is called gross Sie or large Sie, you, formal. Second person, both singular and plural. Now here comes the conjugation of Sein verb. Sein means to be or be. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er ist, he is. Sie ist, she is. Es ist, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you boys and girls are. Informal. Du bist, you are also informal. Sie sind, they are. Sie sind, you are, formal. Now, die Sätze, the sentences. Der Satz, die Sätze. This is singular, the sentence, die Sätze, the sentences. Ich bin student, ich bin, I am. Ich bin student, I am student. Ich bin glücklich, I am happy or lucky. Ich bin allein, I am alone. Ich bin zufrieden, I am satisfied. Ich bin unzufrieden, I am unsatisfied. So, ich bin student, I am student. Ich bin glücklich, I am happy or lucky. Ich bin allein, I am alone. Ich bin zufrieden, I am satisfied. Ich bin unzufrieden, I am unsatisfied. Now do. This one, do bist, do. In the second person pattern. When we say anything in the second person, that will be a dialogue. For example, Tom, du bist faul. Tom, you are lazy. Robert, du bist fleißig. Robert, you are hardworking. So the second person application will be in dialogue form. Tom, du bist faul. Tom, you are lazy. Robert, du bist fleißig. Robert, you are hardworking. In German, the inverted comma in dialogue is given like this. This and this, like this. Robert, du bist fleißig. Robert, you are hardworking. Tom, du bist faul. Tom, you are lazy. Now Julia, du bist student. Julia, you are student. Now er, that is the third person. He, third person singular, er. Masculine. Der Bleistift ist here. The pencil is here. Der Bleistift. When we replace the noun by pronoun, that will be er. Er ist here. He is here. He means der Bleistift. We shall tell he. Der Freund ist freundlich. He is friendly, or der Freund is freundlich. The friend is friendly. Der Freund will be ist freundlich. Der Fühler ist billig. The pen is inexpensive or cheap. Or when we replace the noun by pronoun, then ist billig. He is inexpensive. Sie, that is she, third person singular feminine. Die Wohnung ist groß. The apartment is large. Or Sie ist groß. She is large. Die Frau ist hübsch. The lady is pretty or good looking. Or die Frau, when we replace the noun by pronoun, sie ist hübsch. Die Wohnung ist groß. Sie ist groß. The apartment is large. Now sie, she, third person singular, feminine. Die Wohnung ist groß. The apartment is large. Or sie ist groß. She is large. Die Frau is hübsch. The lady is pretty or good looking. Oder when we replace the noun by pronoun, sie ist hübsch. Die Schildkröte ist langsam. The tortoise is slow. Again I repeat. Die Schildkröte is langsam. Oder sie ist langsam. Oder means or. Now es, it, third person singular, it is neuter or neuter gender. Das Kaninchen ist schnell. The rabbit is fast. When we replace the noun by pronoun, es ist schnell. Again I repeat, the Kaninchen is schnell. The rabbit is fast. Das Hemd is rot. The shirt is red. Now when we replace the noun by pronoun, das Hemd, es is rot. Das Wörterbuch ist teuer. The dictionary is expensive. Now es ist teuer. Es means das Wörterbuch. Es ist teuer. Wir, we, first person plural. Wir, we, first person plural. Wir sind Leute. We are people. Leute, people. Wir sind Freunde. We are friends. Now, Freunde, Leute are the plural forms. Wir sind Studenten. We are students. Here I repeat, wir, we, first person plural. Wir sind Leute. We are people. Wir sind Freunde. We are friends. Wir sind Studenten. We are students. Now, here, you boys and girls are. Second person plural. Now, this will be also in dialogue form. Say, Tom and Robert, ihr seid klug. Tom and Robert, you are clever. Klug, clever. Peter und Anna, ihr seid intelligent. Peter und Anna, ihr seid intelligent. Intelligent. Now in German you can tell, in English it is still intelligent. In German it is called intelligent. John und Tom, ihr seid sportlich. John und Tom, you are athlete or sports minded. Sie, you, formal. Herr Müller, Sie sind Lehrer. Mr. Miller, you are teacher. Herr Gomes, Sie sind Arts. Mr. Gomes, you are doctor. Herr Johnson, Sie sind Engineer. Mr. Johnson, you are engineer. Also, therefore, heute machen wir die Pause. Today we take the break. In the next episode, that is in episode 8 or Unterricht 8, I shall discuss in details with opposite words. Danke schön. Thanks a lot. Fortsetzung folgt. Again I repeat, Fortsetzung folgt. To be continued. Thank you. So dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icons in the right side to get the upcoming videos. In the second episode, that is in episode 8, I will discuss the Sein Verb against part 2 and I will give the more sentences to understand. Thank you.